Hey guys, how to see which Android apps are running in the background. One way to find out, you can just go ahead and drag your screen, right, in order to see which app is consuming your battery, right, or consuming your battery the most. Next, what you're gonna do, you can go ahead to the settings, and then general, scroll a little bit down to find background app refresh, and go ahead and make sure, let me disable the low battery mode and go to the specific apps that might actually consume your battery and shut it down. Okay, if you turn it on, it means that you're gonna be able, or basically your phone will consume because you are allowing apps to refresh their content when Wi-Fi or cellular in the background, right? And turning off apps may help preserve battery life, so make sure to shut it down, right? Especially if you're using a specific app that might actually drain your battery. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.